What do you do if you're in Clorox and you bought it when we talked about it 3 days ago on the show? I was like, I kind of like the Clorox. I was saying as a potential lockdown trade if we start to get more worried about, we were talking about the South African strain. I'm like, people might start getting worried about this. I was talking about it 197. I did not buy it. Wish I would have. What would I have done yesterday if I would have bought it? I'd have sold it. I would have sold in that move. And I sold a lot of stocks into these moves because these were ridiculous moves. You get a 10, 15% move in Clorox, you don't think about it. You take the gain. When you get, 30%, 40% moves on stocks that typically don't move at all, what do? You take the gain because you know what? Eventually this ride ends or, it pulls back. And then you get a chance to maybe get back in. But do you sell everything? Am I selling my Apple? Am I selling my Amazon?
Nope.
No, your core holdings. You got swing trades on, you get a 25, 30% gain in a half an hour. A lot of people are sitting there saying, I'm not taking that gain. You know what? I've seen it before. I take the gains because if you don't take the gains, the market will take them for you. BlackBerry yesterday, I sold it. It was a 44%. It's back up there again. It's giving you a second chance. It didn't have to give you a second chance. But, I'll probably regret it. It'll probably be $25 or $30 the way this market goes. But you know what? I agree with you. Don't go broke taking a profit. You don't want to take them too soon, the profits. But when you get 25, 30%, 44% gain in BlackBerry overnight, I book it. That's what I do.
You know what also added to the momentum yesterday is that sell-off, right? This is that break in the S&Ps. This is it. This is the turn. They're getting it, and it was, after the morning open, they took it down and people were looking for the turn. So, all right, this is the turn. We're under 3,800. Boom, boom, boom. And then boom, turned around and before you even knew it, everything was going back up. So I think that threw a little feel of decline, brought people in, and then boom on the short side, and then it turned around. So I think
they ripped it again.
Yeah.
Again, by the dip works once again. But some people are saying, why don't you put a stop in on BlackBerry? All right, it goes up 44% yesterday. Where was your stop? Where are you putting your stop? Because it went from 20, 50 to under $16. I would assume if you had a stop on it, most people are probably getting stopped out.
See, that's what I was gonna say. That's my problem. That's my problem. If I put in a trailing stop, I'm inclined to go like anywhere from 10 to 20%. Well, it fell 20%. I'd be out.
It fell 30% almost from the highs, 25% from the highs. What is that? 2083 down to under $16.
Yeah.
It's a 5-point fall on $20 stock. It fell over 25%. Where's your stop? Where are you saying, okay, well, it looks like it's a gap fill at that point in time. It looked ugly at 10 o'clock. Everything turned that was up 10%. A lot of stocks turned red. So, GameStop, too, you can say, well, why don't you just put a stop on it? GameStop went from $159 to $60. Where's your stop? Are you putting stops 60% below where the market price is? That's why I sell them as they're going up. I take the Harlan Pie saying, sell your peanuts while the circus is in town.